Howdy friends, Jeremy here. I just got back from Menards and they had this multi-tool, the Stanley Multitool on sale, so I thought I'd pick it up mainly because I wanted this. And but for 20 bucks I figured I'd give it a try out. In my quest for making the perfect multi-tool for me, I'm checking out a few things. Stanley tools have always been good to me, so I figured I'll get my money out of it. I didn't know that had a pocket clip on it too. That's pretty cool. It's got some nice weight to it, and that'll fit down in my pocket real good. Screwdriver's pretty heavy too. This is kind of what I want to incorporate in my multi-tool design. Just a pair of pliers with a screwdriver like that, so you can put the ends in and out. I actually seen a pair of vice grips for sale that was really similar to that, so I don't know if I'll be making it or not, but I'm still toying around with some different ideas. I never use a saw. There's a screwdriver. Can opener, bottle opener, and of course a knife. Some grit in there or something. Oh, there we go. I was opening it wrong. Snaps in good. It's hard to access the tools though. File. Flathead screwdriver. I'll try it out and see what it's like. Well, it's been a couple of weeks now, and I've used the heck out of my razor knife. The multi-tool I'm not happy with. It's got too much flex in it. It's too bulky, too loose. Just not really happy with this multi-tool. Screwdriver, I really like the screwdriver. Really well made item. Razor knife is really well made item. And like I said, I've been using these for a couple weeks now, since I started filming this. I'm not getting the screwdriver out right now because it's pouring down rain and it's out in the truck in my toolbox. But yeah, that's pretty much my review of this Stanley Multi-Tool. You get what you pay for. Still usable, but not the best quality. And for the price, you know, I guess you know, you can go buy all these things separately and just forget about the multi-tool. So I'm still in search of my perfect multi-tool, which for me is just going to be pliers and a screwdriver, because I carry a knife. Still looking and searching for that right combination for me. I mean, but for 18 bucks this set wasn't bad, and I will get my money out of it. It's not like I'm going to throw it away or anything. But I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching.